This is a 2010 key fob. It's into the key, and there is a slot over here that we're going to replace the Duracell 2025 battery. Let's show you how simple it is to do it. Insert a very thin screwdriver. Twist. And gently use your fingers to pull apart. This is the memory of the key fob. Put the keys to the side. There are little slots located, and all you have to do is just gently push into these slots. And they're release tabs. If it doesn't pull out, make sure you have all the other slots free, exposing the battery we're replacing. Gently work the battery out. Put the old battery to the side. Open up the new battery you just purchased. Slide in the new battery. Make sure it's in there perfectly. Place back in the covering. Snap everything back together. Put back into the key housing. Snap the cover. Press the button. And it's that simple. Your key fob has been replaced to battery. Now maybe our trunk will open up due to a weak battery. They only last about a year. Have fun replacing your key fob battery for a Toyota 2010 Corolla Type S.